Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about will and would. These are the part of modal verbs. So let me explain when we use it. The first scenario is like in future actions we use will. For example, we will be in Hyderabad by 8 p.m. tomorrow. So it is like a prediction in the future we are going to do. In case of decision also we use will. For example, I am not hungry, so I will have an orange juice. And one more example is like I will send you all the details by email. So in the near future we are going to promise like this. So in these three situations we use will. And the second one is like would. What is the past tense of will in this scenario? For example, for the same examples, we can, by using the would, we can say like this. We thought we would be in Hyderabad by 8 p.m. I was not hungry, so said that I would have orange juice. She said that she would send me all the details by email. So this is about the past actions you have promised earlier. And the next scenario is like conditionals we use will. I mean in the real situations we use it. For example, if it rains tomorrow, I will bring my umbrella. So here we are using some condition. The condition is like if it rains tomorrow. So we call this as first conditional. And other is like in the imaginary situations we use would. For example, if I had wings, I would fly all over the world. Here, even though we use had, here we are talking about the present situation. So we call it as second conditional. In case of third conditional, we are talking about the past actions, but it did not happen. For example, if Raju had gone to law school, he would have become a lawyer, but he did not go to school, he did not become a lawyer. So in case of past imaginary actions, we can use this third conditional. And the third case is like in case of warning someone, we have to use will. For example, will you stop making noise? Will you stop talking like this? Like this, we can use a will. And the fourth case is like to express a wish, we use would. For example, I would like to travel around the world. I would like to be rich. So here we are talking about your wishes or desires. We can use would. And the fifth case is like to express what you want. In this case also we use would. For example, I would like to know some information. I would like a glass of water. Like this we can use the would. And the other thing is like to express past repeated actions and habits we use would. For example, in the past action, for example, when I was younger, I would walk 5 kilometers a day. So in the past I could able to, but now we are not doing this. So here we can observe something like the same sentence we can also use by using the used to phrase. For example, when I was younger, I used to walk 5 kilometers a day. So these two sentences are both are same. Either we can use would or we can use it used to. And the seventh case is like to express your preference or choice, we have to use would. For example, I would prefer coffee to tea. So here you are preferring coffee. And second example is like I would rather stay at home than go out. So here you are saying about you prefer to stay at home than going out. And the last scenario is like in case of polite expressions we have to use would. For example, if you want to request someone, we have to use would you mind lending me some money. Here after would you mind you have to use ing form, that is like lending me some money. So this is a form of request. In case of you want to take permission, you have to use like this. Would you mind if I left a little early little early tomorrow. So you're talking the permission for tomorrow. Even though it is tomorrow, we have to use left. I mean here you have to use V2 only. And in case of offer to someone, you have to use would. For example, would you like some more milk in your coffee? And in case of invite also, you have to use like would you like to come along with us? So in all these situations we have to use will and would. Thank you all. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.